Let's sing Merry Christmas and a Happy Holiday. Let's sing Merry Christmas and a Happy Holiday.
Milton Hopkins Memorial Nature Preserve, established 2009. So we're entering in this beautiful site provided courtesy of Fitzgerald Utilities. Hoy, mosquito, Mark. That's a mosquito.
That's just your hair.
No mosquito. I can hear the.
Yeah, they're around, so I know the water can't be that shallow.
So that's an egret,
so it
I
must be
guess.
like a sandbar or something.
Yeah,
out there in the middle.
And you can see the egret in the center.
Yeah, egret looks like it. Fish coming up to catch bugs on the surface. Fish eating.
It's a beautiful place here. Wow. It's a beautiful scenery. That's the sandbar, the egret, and that. Fruits bearing plants here. Look, what?
Yeah. I don't know if that's something edible or not.
Yeah, edible or not. So I have no idea. Oh, that's so cutie. Berry, blackberry. Blackberry. Oh, lotsy. Full.
Ride bicycles and stuff all the way around it.
That is a blackberry.
You can ride bicycles all the way around it. I think it's more the same.
That's the other
same
one.
Stuff. It looks like it's the same stuff.
Blackberry.
Same kind of. No, it's not blackberry. Well, yes, technically they are blackberry.
Greenery bearing plants. Ooh, lots. I love this. My goodness. Woo! Look at the fruits.
What kind of fruit is it?
I don't know.
That
I
one
was saying it may be flowers.
before.
They certainly did.
Yeah, they should put
A barrier.
on that and say keep out, because you don't want anybody going out on that. I don't know what that is. I've seen it before,
It's a
but
trumpet vine.
Oh,
A trumpet vine.
trumpet vine.
I've got those.
Yeah, you have it. That one is so beautiful. Trumpet vine flower. I'm so far because of this.
Yeah, you don't want to get
Yeah.
in there because those blackberry bushes have thorns on
Yeah,
them. You don't
that
wanna
one is a trumpet flower. This is a beautiful trumpet flowers. Oh my goodness. Super cutie pie flowering plants. Wow. That's
These
the
things are loaded with these berries, whatever they are.
wow. Beautiful. I
get
like the
railways ran around here.
that's Florida tree, right? We have that. It's a beautiful place.